Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have some interesting news coming out of Trinidad and Tobago. So popular Canadian vlogger Chris Muslis was arrested in Trinidad and Tobago yesterday. Yesterday, it's funny, yesterday I was watching one of his videos, and when I woke up this morning, I saw the headline that he was taken in by the police of Trinidad and Tobago. And I'm going to let you listen to a hearing, a court hearing that was scheduled, and you just tell me what you think. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe.
What is your name?
Chris Hughes,
Where are you from?
Toronto, Canada.
Who's your attorney at law currently?
Gentleman right here in front of me.
Do you know why you're being held?
I've been given two reasons: promoting gangs and the not proper visa entry upon arrival.
So the reason why I'm here is because time is short and I'm gracious for the TTPS officers right now that are making me see you. I just need my instructions so I can write down my matters because you know the international pressures upon us to ensure your safety in Trinidad and Tobago. So can you please tell me your responses to all the allegations you heard in Mark Besant's Express story? News for news, please. I need your instructions. I can go to court in the morning for you by 10 p.m. That's my deadline date with the red officer with you. Please tell me your reaction to what you saw there, please.
Right. So first and foremost, this is the first thing I've seen. I haven't heard any of this from the detectives questioning me. No, I did not promote any gangs. No, I did not give advice to any gangs. No, I did not profit or exchange any money with any gangs. I asked questions to strangers on the street. Never was there a proclamation of gangs. Not every black man that's in Trinidad is a gang member. A lot of mention of gangs in these not in these videos, in this article. If you watch my videos, which are available for the whole world to see, you will see there's no mention of gangs. Again and again, I didn't speak to any gang leaders. There's no proclamation of gang leaders. Everything I've read in this article is false, period. I'm a man with a camera. I walk, I interview fishermen, I interview old men on the street, I interview restaurants for fun.
I went Barbados and do the same thing for the UN last week.
Right.
I was in the UN conference with the 25 future CEOs of the world, and I was in the streets with Redo, Beer, and no problem.
But my daughter's 9. She uploads videos to YouTube. That doesn't mean she works for YouTube. YouTube has billions of people uploading. It's not a job. This is what people do, period. They want the world to see something, they upload it to YouTube.
So do you feel like you're locked up abroad for no reason?
For no reason. No, I'm a tourist on vacation that films what I do. I also played basketball 2 days ago. It doesn't mean I'm a basketball player, right? I'm doing something for fun. I'm here as a tourist, and now I'm being locked up.
How did the streets of Trinidad and Tobago treat you, sir?
No, the best of the best.
Why did you say that, sir? Because the streets asked me,
right,
say, are you a traitor and or not?
No.
Because they showed you the guns being dumped in the communities.
Right. And more important than that, now my life is, if I wasn't sleeping here on this mattress, if they put me in a jail, I'm in a lot of trouble. There's no doubt about that.
So are you concerned?
I'm very
concerned. You end up going to the prison. Are you concerned about your life?
I can't even imagine it, of course. And all for nothing. Everything I've seen, from fishing to Fortune Day to catching crabs to interviewing people on the street, everything has been uploaded for the world to see on YouTube. I don't have any additional information.
Did you not give them your phones, to access your phones?
They have everything. They have everything.
Did you restrict them in any questions you asked them?
I answered every single question they had.
So what did they tell you next?
They have another set of questions from new people.
Who's the new
today.
people, sir?
I haven't a clue. I don't know.
Because when I was here, they told you that you're not under arrest. Do you remember that?
Right. Last night before they brought me back here, they put me under arrest.
But the thing is, also, wait, they carried you somewhere?
We went to go look for my suitcase, and then we came here.
Did they ever caution you and tell you that you have arrested and until you had to go, sir?
Yes.
So why did they call me, sir?
They said they attempted to call you. It was late last night. They couldn't get a hold of you.
But I came in with 3 lawyers, the counterterrorism analyst of Trinidad and Tobago, Ms. Antia Smith.
Yes.
Did they try to call any of the other lawyers, sir?
Well, I didn't see them attempt anything. All I heard was they verbally said they've tried.
Because they told me that you're not under arrest, so I'm a bit surprised.
At the time you were here, I was not. Later in the evening, they said I was.
So did they question you before?
Yes, all day.
So they questioned you all day.
Yes,
Then when your lawyer came, they said that you're not under arrest. Is that correct?
yes,
Thank you. I need my instructions for my habeas corpus documents.
yes.
Okay. So when your lawyer was here, they said you're not under arrest. Your lawyer left. They then question you. Is that correct?
They continued questioning me,
Oh,
yes.
shucks, yeah, because they said they've been questioned all day. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, sorry. Okay. And then did they say who was making the allegations against you that you're promoting any gang?
No,
Did you see any immigration officer come
No.
to speak to you at all?
no,
Did they tell you that the Minister of National Security declared you as someone who contravened any part of the Immigration Act?
no.
They never brought an immigration officer to you.
Correct.
And part of your charges are breaching the Immigration Act of Trinidad and Tobago.
Yes,
Did they tell you that they're acting under the auspices of the Ministry of National Security?
no. I was told nothing. I was given the document that you were provided. I wasn't explained what that is. I don't even know what promoting a gang means at all. That was never mentioned. The whole day has been questions as to what my videos were. Just regurgitating what is already on YouTube.
So what do you want me to at least make the court system know?
Yes,
What would you like? Because I'm preparing you for courts.
yes,
I do not want to go to courts.
right.
This whole situation makes no sense to me.
Yeah. Well, verbally, look, every officer that has been here questioning me one-on-one has said that this is part of the policy. If it were up to them, this would be a joke. It's a joke that I'm here. I'm loved in this country. I want to keep it that way. I have done nothing wrong. I have documented no different than I document in any other country. Every other country loves me. Seems like it's a political ploy for some reason. Somebody in the government is upset.
People tell me some about politics. I don't
Yeah.
understand what's going on with politics.
Right.
No, you know what the dragon deal?
No.
Okay, fine, no problem at all. Because I don't know what's going on either.
I'm a tourist going to every country in the world. I bring a camera with me. I film what I see, the good, the bad, the ugly. I upload it to YouTube.
So that's second. How come you call me as a lawyer? Because I'm
Yeah.
confused.
Yeah.
How come you call me as a lawyer? I don't understand.
I don't know how the whole thing took place. Once I spoke to the Canadian embassy, somehow he got a hold of Kevin, and you guys just magically appeared. I don't know exactly how it happened.
Okay, great. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So, as you heard, that was the hearing to schedule, I guess, to schedule a court date. And I'm going to give my feedback, and I would like for you guys to give your feedback in the comment section. So, as I said earlier, Chris is a Canadian travel vlogger. Like, he travels across different countries and he, documents his stay in those countries. The first time I saw his channel, I think he was in Haiti. Um, and a lot of travel vloggers go to different countries, and there are vloggers that go like to tourist areas and they document the tourist part of those islands, like the hotels, the beaches, the waterfalls, the fancy accommodation. Chris is different. He's the type of vlogger that goes into the poorest parts of every country that he goes to. So, whether it's Haiti, I saw him in Haiti, I saw him in Belize, he was in Jamaica also. And I am Jamaican, and some of the places that I saw him visiting in Jamaica, most Jamaicans would not even go there. So, every time I watch, Chris doing this thing, like I always say that this guy is like the bravest guy ever. And the same thing with Trinidad. Like I see him in some areas of Trinidad and Tobago that I'm thinking that, a lot of locals will not go in those areas, much less a foreigner. So I've always thought that this guy is like the bravest person ever. And I have never once thought that something like this would happen, that he would get arrested. Like my thought is like, man, you need to be careful because going in some of these areas, anything could happen. So, if anything, I thought that, being in those areas, he was putting himself in danger and anything could happen. But being arrested by the police never came to my mind. And one of the thing too, like I was really surprised that a lot of the guys were, on the camera, like talking, even though most of them face were cover up and stuff like that. I was a bit surprised of that, but um, I'm not understanding this arrest because if they wanted to know what's going on in the community, everything is documented on YouTube. The police could just go watch the videos and they could see what is going on in those communities. So to arrest him and to confiscate his camera and his phone is, I'm not sure what that's about because everything is documented on YouTube. So yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. You guys in Trinidad, like wherever you are, like what do you think about this? Do you think that it's a stretch? Do you think that the police are overplaying their hand? Or, what do you think? Do you think, I don't know, maybe the government of Trinidad and Tobago wasn't really liking those images coming out of Trinidad with those areas. So they wanted to get him out of the country. Let me know what you think. Sound off in the comment section. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, peace. I'm out.